Everyone, this is Kevin5082. This is a deluxe ocean view. When we come in, Lisa, we'll put the key in to turn the lights on for you. As you see, this normally has a sofa, but it's set up for a bed. A lot of times people want to know what it looks like when the sofa is converted to a bed, but there it is. This is an ocean view. And so you see a nice view outside. Big, round porthole to look out of. Across from the sofa, there's a mini bar here. There's a stool and a little table that you can pull out, several drawers from a power standpoint, 2 USB, 2 US, 2 European when it comes to power. You've got some shelves there as well as a TV. Over here you have a king-size bed when it's together, or 2 twins if you separate them. A couple of nightstands as well. I do not see power by the headboard at all. From a closet standpoint, you'll have shelves, safe, and some drawers on one side. The other side is all hanging, as you can see there. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. Love the bathrooms on the ship. Toilet's in a great place. There's plenty of width. 6'4", and I'm very comfortable on the toilet. Nice size shower as well. So no restrictions in there. Nice big mirror, some shelves, makeup mirror, all kinds of things. Love the bathroom. Let us know what you think of the deluxe interior. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.